BridgeSwitch is a very interesting product. It gives the designer a fresh new start in developing their inverter design. In general, what we have seen the last year is not too much innovation in inverter design. BridgeSwitch brings new value, like for example, reducing certification time and telling what's wrong in which leg of the inverter, advantages which designer can use to better position their products. So we are expanding the motor driver market to 400 watts, and we introduced a new product which is called the BRD 1167 and 1267C, which goes up to 400 watts. It has 1.33 amp RMS current, and it addresses applications like fridge compressor or thermally challenging application in general where thermal spec is pretty tight. BridgeSwitch family brings a couple of advantages. For example, no heatsink due to low switching losses and a very good body diode. Also self-supply, which reduces the number of components on the circuitry. I also mentioned at the beginning, reduce certification time. This is very important because, for time to market reasons. This is due to the integrated hardware protection, which protects both the device and the system. BridgeSwitch communicates with the microcontroller through what we call a fault bus. This enables the designer to know at any particular time what goes wrong, which fault condition appear in each leg of the inverter. For example, in leg 1 of the three-phase inverter motor, there can be some over voltage fault condition. In the leg 2, maybe over current condition, or in the other leg over temperature protection conditions. So all of these are communicated in a timely manner to the MCU. BridgeSwitch is very good for single-phase design. For a single-phase design, you need two integrated half-bridge driver ICs, whereas for three-phase design, you need 3 ICs. So very easy, very scalable from single-phase to multi-phase, keeping the same architecture. BridgeSwitch has a very low standby for the complete inverter and a very high efficiency, above 99.2%. This definitely helps in achieving the toughest energy efficiency targets. In particular, the HVAC requirements in China, the new GB energy regulation, which comes into effect this year, but also the new labeling efficiency regulation in Europe from 2021. BridgeSwitch gives a lot of flexibility in terms of support of a popular motor control microcontroller, control algorithms like block commutation, sinusoidal, field-oriented control with the PWM frequencies up to 20 kHz. For more information about BridgeSwitch, you can go to www.power.com and then follow the motor driver link. You'll find there application notes, PCB design guidelines, performance reports, white paper, so everything what the designer needs to get started with his design.